The Maverick is getting annoyed, almost angry right now, at the fickle, wagonist nature of the Reggae Boyz fans, proving again that Jamaica really don't have a football culture. We instead have a wagonist culture. So the support will only come when the boys are winning. Otherwise, a pure talk down and bad mouthing and writing off of the team. And remember now, this is after only a handful of games. Yet the naysayers are out in them numbers. I mean, we know that things are not perfect and a whole heap of things are happening. But can you imagine the Maverick on the radio hosting the Sports Explosion sports talk show, and a caller calls the show and said loud and clear on national radio in the middle of the World Cup qualifying campaign, this is a man who was obviously born and bred in Jamaica, speaking in a brawling Jamaican accent. The man tell me, say, in this region, CONCACAF, him don't support Jamaica, for him team and Mexico. And that the man tell me nearly drop off of my chair. Me think me did have all lyrics, but in that moment, the Maverick was lost for words. The man said, him not supporting Jamaica and Mexico, a team in the World Cup qualifiers. The only thing Mr. Sorry said is a bit of a cut him off.